How to troubleshoot HP Support Assistant in Windows 11. Step 1. Update HP Support Assistant. If HP Support Assistant is not working as expected, try downloading the latest version of HP Support Assistant. Go to support.hp.com/help/HP-support-assistant. Scroll down and select the Download HP Support Assistant option to download the latest version of HP Support Assistant. Once the download finishes, open the file and follow the on-screen instructions to finish installation. After installation, a window will appear that says HP Support Assistant has been installed successfully. Step 2. Uninstall and reinstall HP Support Assistant. Search for and open Add or Remove Programs in Windows 11. Select the three dots next to the HP Support Assistant to access the drop-down menu. Select Uninstall from the drop-down menu, and then select Uninstall again to confirm. After the uninstall is complete, restart your computer. Repeat the steps from Step 1 to download and install HP Support Assistant. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.